Here's Angelo again with Angelo's Edge. Let's see. Anyways, so I'm gonna do an update again on this Lantershark that I bought a few days ago. Well, a few weeks ago now. I got it all back together, oiled up. I'm just gonna do a little video, short video on how to strap it and load a strop and get it cutting again. So update on this. So I had to replace the scales because I broke them. I had to replace the scale screws, which is right here, because I broke them when I was trying to bend the frame lock back, because I thought it was pushing the blade too much. So I was like, I'm gonna bend it back so it's not pushing the blade so much. So I did that. When I did it, I went too far. Then I tried to bend it back, and that's when I popped the screws out of the scale. So I fixed that. Then what happened was I got it all back, and I tried bending this back, so because it was only about less than 50% lockup. It was like so you could spine whack it and it would pop. I was like, man, I don't like that at all. I wanted to make sure that it has a nice lockup, and I got it really nice lockup now. So, but when I did that, I ended up figuring I could. It's a beater knife anyway, so I took a screwdriver and pried it down right there and bent it back in real good. So it has a real good. It actually snaps. You can hear it. Hear that click right here. Yeah. So it's really deep in there, and so I got that resolved. But when I did that, I had blade wiggle. I can go blade up and down and blade left or right. So I was like, crap. So I tried before to break this pivot screw loose, and I couldn't break it loose. So I was like, I'm gonna try and mess around. I'll just try squeezing it with the vise. I squeezed it with the vise, snapped the pivot screw, and luckily this company Knives, that's what the name of it, they actually sent an extra pivot screw. So of course I put a new pivot screw in, and now it's dropped shut. I've lubed the bearings and everything is ready to go. The only bad thing is I'm gonna leave it alone. It does rub on this side a little bit, but it don't hit the blade. It just hits this little bit there. So I'm gonna leave it alone. But what I am gonna do today for you guys is load a strop and strop this and get it cut nice and cut some foam paper. So what I do is I take this and you just run this down. You load it, kind of load it with this compound. Want to get nice. All right, so this is a green polishing compound. So it looks like Corolla, but this is a little better than the stuff I bought at Home Depot. It's almost like more. It digs in. It gets in there a little better. So you take your knife. This is how I do it. And you basically, this is a Tanto, so you're gonna go like, I usually go 5 times. And see, make sure. It's hard to do it on camera. And then you do, because normally you do this with one, but since it's a Tanto, you gotta. So, and you repeat. I usually do like. Some people say the angle should be shallower. I haven't really honestly figured out what the best way is. Every knife seems different to me. But I kind of follow along with the blade path. You can feel it when it. Kind of. Let's see what we got. It feels got kind of an edge. Let's see it. Get some foam paper out. Let's see if I hit the right. Kind of must still have a little bit of a jag or something. They're not bad. It's not perfect. So it's still got work to be done. So you just basically keep going. Of course, I made this strap. Just pieces of leather I got from Hobby Lobby. Glued it to a piece of wood. Actually, I got this on this side too. It's a little different. Another little piece of leather, different. So, I mean, it's just repeat. You just keep repeating until you're satisfied. I mean, but yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this one alone. This knife now. I'm just kind of strapping it because I liked it. That's the thing. That's why I worked so hard on this one. So, yeah. So that's basically how you strap a knife. See, little pieces. And this is, I think this is, I think they didn't say what it was. I think all they said it was, I want to say they said 440 something. They didn't even say what it was, but that's pretty sharp right there. If you could sharpen, like, you can get phone paper to go down like that with little curls. It's good to go. Let's see, I don't think I have any hair, but I can cut phone paper like that. I'm sure I can cut hair. You can see it, you can hear it. More some like you hear it. So this knife is tuned and ready to go again. After me messing with it, and I think I'm back to where I was originally. It was rubbing a little bit on the side of the frame, but I like now it has a nice lock up. Like I could spine whack it, and it don't fell because it's dug in there. So, but when I bent it out before, I could tap it like this and then pop out. But I didn't like that. So that's what got me into trouble all this time. But I got it all back, stropped. Well, anyway, so that's how you little instructional how you strop a knife. So if you like video like this, so go ahead and like Angelo's Edge. I'll add a card here. Watch a video or subscribe there. Watch a video, another one of my videos there. Watch another one here and subscribe here. Alright, have a good one. Like Angelo's Edge. Bye.